national crises, whether it's a climate crisis or an economic crisis. Human Resources Department can protect employee productivity by watching early indicators of financial strain, such as payroll advances, absenteeism, and health card usage. Normalizing financial wellness as a business stability issue and offering short, structured financial education that focuses on practical behaviors like debt reduction and cash flow management rather than one-off seminars can be an important way to boost productivity. Programs that are confidential, group-based, and easy to administer reduce distraction, improve engagement, and support retention, especially among frontline and mid-career staff. Measuring results over 60 to 90 days through engagement trends, absenteeism, and turnover helps HR demonstrate that addressing financial stress is not a perk, but a strategic leveler for sustaining workforce performance during periods of economic pressure.